What's up everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video you are going to see how to see private account photos on Instagram. So let's get right into it. Head over to your Instagram application. Once you're there, make sure you have logged in into your desired Instagram account, and then just head over to the search section and then search for any private account. Suppose I'm searching for anything like suppose this one. As you can see, this account is currently private, and if I want to see its photos, all I need to do is just to search the place. Suppose I'm searching a place, it might be Paris, France. So go to places and then go to Paris, France, and as you can see, these are the people, these are the posts of some people who have tagged this specific page. These photos might be, if I just check on their account, might be their account private, but as they have mentioned this place in their post or tagged this place, that's why I can see those in here. You can also try this too with a specific place with a name, and yeah, this is how you can just see the private account photos on Instagram. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next one.